Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. Today's our topic is maths lab activity, mental math and worksheets. Three topics are here. On last day in this topic, we have learned some topic that were forming numbers up to 999, place value, expanded form of numbers, comparing numbers. Okay, we have learned this topic in exercise 5, and there is an activity. Although I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Alpam Public School, and this school situated in Golna Bazar. Now you have to come on to understand numbers. That is activity of chapter 5 that you have learnt on last day, numbers up to 999. What is, let's start. Firstly, M. What is M? To understand numbers. That means for understanding numbers you have to do this activity. Okay, you can understand numbers from this activity easily. Okay, so you have to do this activity. Let's start. You will need what you have need at abacus and beads. Okay, steps. Work in groups of 4. Firstly, you have to work in groups of 4. That means you should, in one group there are 4 students. The teacher calls out a number, and a teacher calls out a number. That means a teacher calls out a number. Any number can be possible. Student A, that means first student, makes the number called out on the abacus. That means, for example, to make 345 on the abacus, put 5 beads in one spike, 4 beads in tens spike, and 3 beads in the hundred spike. Okay, student A, that means first student, there are 4 students, works in groups of 4. There is said the teacher calls out a number. Let a number is 345. Now first student makes the number called out on the abacus. The teacher called out a number. Student A makes the number on the abacus. For example, to make 345 on the abacus, put 5 beads in one spike, 4 beads in tens spike, and 3 beads in the hundred spike. Okay, now second student makes the number, that is student B, makes the number 1 less than 345. 1 less than 345 means that is 344, because when we subtract 1 from 345 there will be 344. And now student C makes the number 10 more than 344, and student C makes the number 10 more than 344. That means student C makes the number 10 more than 345, and a 10 more than from 345 is 345. 10 more than 354. Okay, so there will be 354. And now student D, that is student 4, makes the number 100 less than, that is 354. The number is 354, and 10 less than 100 less than from it, that will be 254. 100 less than 354, that is 254. Listen carefully. Firstly, teacher calls out a number, and after that student first makes the number called out on the abacus. For example, to make 345 on the abacus, put 5 beads in one spike, 4 beads in the tens spike, and 3 beads in the hundred spike. And after that second student makes the number 1 less than, that is 345. 1 less than 345, that is 344. And after that third student, that is student C, makes the number 10 more than, that is number is 344, and 10 more than from it, that will be 354. And now student 4, that is student D, makes the number 100 less than 354, that is 254, because we know that when you will subtract 100 from 344, that will be 254. Okay, so now question number B. Work in pair Work in pairs, call out a number less than 999. Work in pair, call out a number less than 999. Your partner will write a number in digits and words. For example, you called out 303, your partner will write 303 and 303. Take turns to call out a number and write. Work in pair, that means you have to work in pair. You can be two in one group. Calls out a number less than 999. One of them calls out a number less than 999. In both of you, one student calls out a number less than 999, and your partner, that is other in your team, other in your group, other in your pair, your partner will write a number in digits. That he write a number, your partner will write a number in digits and words. For example, you called out 303 and your partner will write 303 in numbers, and in words THREE 3 100 and THREE 303. Okay, take turns to call out a number and write. You have to take some examples and you have to write in column. Thank you. Now you have to come on mental math. You can see here that a mental math exercise is given. Okay, that is, what is this? Let's see. We have to 711 is written at. Mental math, tick the correct option. You have to tick the correct option. Okay, 711 is written as. Tick the correct option. That means which option is right, you have to tick it. On first, 711 is written as. 711 is written as. How it can be written? 7011, 711, 7011. Option A 7011, option B 711, and option C 7011. What is the right option? Which is the right option? You know that 711 can be written as 711. That means 711. Option B will be right option because that is 711. So option B will be right option. And after that, question number second. The smallest number in 815, 865 and 805 is. The smallest number in 815, 865 and 805 is. Which is the smallest in all? You know that there are three options. Option A 805, option B 865, option C 815. Which one is the smallest number? 815, 865 and 805. You know that 805 is the smallest, so you have to tick the option A 805. So 805 will be right option. Question number third, the greatest number. Question number third, the greatest number is 900, 699 and 785. The greatest number in 900, 699 and 785 is. Option A 900, option B 699 and option C 785. Which one is greatest? You know that 900 is greatest, so you have to tick option A. So the right option A will be right option, that is 900. And on food, the number with the 7 in the 100 place. Which number have 7 on the 100 place? You know that there are three options. Option A 475, option B 745 and option C 457. In which number 7 in the 100 place? You know that in 745, 7 is the 100 place. So option B will be right option, that is 745. So you have to tick option B. In first, option B 711, 711 is written as 711, option B. In second, the smallest number in 815, 865 and 805 is 805, option A. Third, the greatest number in 900, 699 and 785, 900, option A. The number with 7 in the 100 place is 745, option B. Okay. Now you have to tick the place of color digit. Tick the place of the color digit. Which digit or color you have to tick the places. In first, you can see here that 8 is colored, and you know that the 8 is on tens place, so you have to tick in tens column. Okay. In first you have to tick in tens boxes, tens box, tens column. And second 203, 2 is colored, that is on 100 place, so you have to tick 100 place. Okay, so you have to tick on the front of 100. And now question number third, 702. In 702, 2 is colored, that is on ones place, so you have to tick ones place. Okay, in fourth 966, and you know that 6 is colored, that is on ones place, so you have to tick ones place. Question number 5, 300, and the other second 0, first 0 is colored, that is on tens place, so you have to tick tens place. Question number 6, 555, first 5 is colored, that is on 100 place, so you have to tick 100. Okay, in first tens place, in second 100 place, in third ones place, in fourth ones place, in fifth tens place, in sixth 100 place. Now come on, question number C. Help Aman put the blocks in the correct basket. You have to do this from matching. Help Aman put the block in the correct basket. There are 2 baskets, less than 500 and more than 500. And you have to put the numbers in 2 baskets. So you can see here that which number are less than 500, you have to put in first basket, that is less than 500, and which numbers are greater than or more than 500, you have to put in your second basket, that is more than 500. So come on, 499 will be less than 500, because we know that 499 is less than 500. 170 will be less than 500. Okay, 501 will be in more than 500, because 501 is greater than 500. And 90 will be in less than 500, because 90 is lesser than 500, smaller than 500. And now next block is 350, and you know that the 350 is less than 500, so you have to put in less than 500 basket. Okay, and now the next is 600, and you know that the 600 is more than 500, so you have put this block in more than 500 basket. And next one is 810, and you know that 810 is greater than more than 500, so you have to put in more than 500 basket. 499 in less than 500 basket, 501 in more than 500 basket, 350 in less than 500 basket, 810 in more than 500 basket, 170 in less than 500 basket, 90 in less than 500 basket, and 600 more than 500 basket. Okay, now you have to common worksheet that is given in your book on page number 90. Help me find my bus. Help me find my bus. Color the correct bus with the same color as my sword. Help me find my bus. You have to help me find my bus. Color the correct bus with the same color. You can see here that there are some students, some children, and they wear a t-shirt, a shirt. Okay, you can see here that first bus is colored from red and written here 10 more than 489. That will be 10 more than 489. When you will add 10 from 489, that will be 499. And you can see here that the red, which child wear red shirt, so you have to color bus from red. Okay, that's 10 more than 489. जब आप 10 more than 489 करेंगे तो ये आपका 499 होगा। और 499 वाला जो लड़का है उसने रेड कलर की शर्ट पहनी है, तो आपका जो फर्स्ट वाला बस है वो रेड कलर से कलर किया गया है। एंड आफ्टर दैट 100 लेस देन 799, 100 लेस देन 799, जब आप 789 में से 99 में से 100 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, लेस करेंगे, तो दैट विल बी 699। एंड 699 वाली जो गर्ल है, जो चाइल्ड है, उसने पिंक कलर की शर्ट पहनी है, तो सेकेंड वाले बस को आप पिंक कलर से कलर करेंगे। एंड थर्ड आपका है 10 लेस देन 300, जब आप 10 लेस देन करेंगे 300 से, दैट विल बी 290। एंड 290 वाला जो स्टूडेंट है उसने ऑरेंज कलर का शर्ट पहना है, सो आपका थर्ड वाला जो बस है वो ऑरेंज कलर से कलर करेंगे, ठीक है। एंड आफ्टर दैट नंबर आफ्टर 499, नंबर आफ्टर 499, what is comes after 499, that is 500, so you have to color blue फोर्थ बस, यानी कि आप फोर्थ बस को 500 से कलर करेंगे, क्योंकि नंबर आफ्टर 499, 500 कम्स आफ्टर 499, इसलिए 500 वाले चाइल्ड है उसने ब्लू कलर का शर्ट पहना है, इसलिए आप फोर्थ वाले बस को ब्लू कलर से करेंगे। एंड लास्ट वाला बस 1 more than 899, that will be 900, 8 more than 899, that will be 900, और 900 वाला स्टूडेंट ग्रीन कलर का शर्ट पहना है, इसलिए लास्ट वाला बस ग्रीन कलर से, फर्स्ट वाला बस रेड कलर से, सेकेंड बस विल बी फ्रॉम पिंक, एंड थर्ड विल बी orange, and fourth blue, and fifth bus you have to color from green, okay। first red, second pink, third 10 less than 300, 290 orange, fourth number after 409, 500 from blue, and fifth 1 more than 89, 899, 900, that is green, okay। So you have to come on question B, match the abacus to the correct number, match the abacus to the correct number. In first abacus you can see here that on ones place there is 1 bits, so on ones place there will be 1, and on tens place there is no bits, so on tens place there is will be nothing, and on 100 place there is 3 bits, so the 100 place will be 3, so the number will be 301, okay, that is 301, that you have to match from 301, okay। And next one is on ones place there is 2 bits, and tens place there is 3 bits, and on 100 place there is 1 bits, so the number that will be 132, that is 132, so you have to color from you have to match from 132. And after that question number third, on ones there is 3 bits, on tens there is 1 bits, and on 100 there are 2 bits, so the number will be 213, that is 213. And so you have to match from 213. And fourth, on ones place there is nothing, on tens place there is 2, and on 100 place there is 1, so the number will be 120, that is 120, okay। First we have to match from 301, second we have to match from 132, third we have to match from 213, and fourth we have to match from 120, and the number you have to left it. Then it's your homework time. You have to do exercise ABC and exercise AB. Exercise ABC of mental maths and exercise AB of worksheet, और या फिर page number 89 and page number 90 you have to do in your CW copy. Thank you. And listen, you have to do this work in your CW copy, and you also complete your work in SW copy up to chapter 4, and I will give you work up to chapter 5 on tomorrow. Thank you.